bossing up. Can't see you keep up. Bossing the mark, X-Parking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel guys. So once again we outside again. Meet up back with the queue. Got the boys right there. So as y'all know, I'm in the 535. And we're going for a cruise right now. So stay tuned guys, and make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and watch the full video, man. Got the boys right here. That shit sounds good, man. No joke. Okay guys, so right now we're just cruising. We're just heading to the spot right now. So bear with me guys. And make sure y'all watch the full video, man. Man, y'all see what's going on. We got the lineup.
I had this set up in a Fox body.
Yeah?
Oh wait, you look at the blue one. It was a 6R though, it wasn't a 10R. That car went like 930, 147 with 13 P.
GTI got him. Or GLI. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.